Deep within the arid desert stands an ancient monument, carved into the shape of a massive human skull.
Archaeological evidence suggests this structure served as a ritualistic landmark before centuries of isolation and harsh weather.
Today, a team of visionary architects arrives to transform this hollowed limestone relic into a modern luxury residence.
Precision mapping tools capture every internal crevice to ensure the structural integrity remains intact during the upcoming renovation. The initial phase requires stabilizing the inner dome with high-grade steel to prevent collapse during the drilling process. Every incision into the ancient stone is performed with extreme care to maintain the original silhouette and appearance.
Clearing the debris reveals a vast cavernous space that provides the foundational layout for the grand entrance hall. The design utilizes the natural apertures as oversized windows, offering panoramic views of the surrounding desert landscape outside. A central staircase is carved directly into the rock, connecting the lower jaw level to the upper chambers.
Illumination is integrated into the stone fissures to create a soft ambient glow without disturbing the organic aesthetic.
Logistics pose a significant challenge as luxury materials must be transported across hundreds of miles of unpaved terrain.
Construction continues through the night to meet the rigorous timeline set by the international team of private investors.
Preservation is just as critical as renovation, ensuring the exterior maintains its ancient character for decades to come.
The master suite is positioned at the highest point, providing total privacy and an elevated perspective of horizon. Modern comforts require sophisticated engineering to regulate temperatures within a structure never intended for human habitation or comfort. Atop the monument, a luxury pool is installed, providing a stark contrast between ancient stone and modern fluid. Polished obsidian surfaces reflect the rugged interior walls, creating a sophisticated dialogue between raw nature and refined design. Renewable energy systems are strategically concealed to maintain the visual integrity of the historic site and surrounding environment.
The glass must withstand extreme pressure and high-velocity sand particles that frequently scour this region of the world.
The subterranean depth of the jaw provides a naturally chilled environment, perfect for storing a vast private collection.
From a distance, the monument appears unchanged, yet closer inspection reveals a masterpiece of modern luxury residential architecture.
Bespoke cabinetry adapts to the irregular geometry of the cavern, making use of every available square inch inside.
Artisans apply gold leaf to the ceiling, reflecting light throughout the room and emphasizing the grand-scale architecture. The main entrance utilizes a concealed hydraulic system that moves a massive slab of rock with total silence.
Access to this remote sanctuary is primarily achieved via air, ensuring exclusivity and privacy for the wealthy owners.
A central hearth becomes the focal point of the living area, providing warmth against the cold desert nights.
Meticulous attention to detail is required to marry ancient, uneven surfaces with the straight lines of modern engineering.
The glow from within gives the monument an ethereal presence, appearing like a beacon in the vast wasteland.
Water scarcity necessitates a closed-loop system that purifies and reuses all liquid assets within the luxury residence.
The final furniture pieces are moved into position, signaling the transition from a construction site to a home. A sophisticated interface allows the owner to monitor the entire facility from anywhere in the world with ease.
Luxury is redefined by incorporating the existing geology into the functional elements of the daily living space environment.
Airflow is managed through discrete channels that utilize the chimney effect to keep the interior naturally cool always. Constant monitoring of the rock's stress levels ensures that the new additions do not compromise the ancient structure. The installation of the final window marks a major milestone in the completion of the exterior shell renovation.
Shadows dance across the rough-hewn walls, revealing the raw beauty of the construction process in its late stages. Modern art finds a unique home against the backdrop of ancient geology, creating a museum-like atmosphere for residents. Every small detail pays homage to the local ecosystem,
while maintaining a high level of luxury and craftsmanship.
The final cleaning process reveals the true color of the sandstone, which had been hidden by centuries of dirt.
The isolation of the site offers an unparalleled view of the cosmos from the comfort of this home.
Health and wellness facilities are integrated into the lower levels, providing a private space for physical exercise daily.
Underfloor heating is essential for the frigid desert winters, where temperatures can drop well below freezing at night.
The pool creates a stunning visual illusion, where water seems to merge with the vast desert sky.
Original inscriptions are preserved and showcased as a central design element within the contemporary living room space today.
Heavy furniture must be moved with precision to avoid damaging the delicate and historic stone floors during installation.
Guests enjoy a separate wing of the house, ensuring privacy for both the visitors and the primary homeowners.
The curved stone walls provide unique acoustic properties that are optimized for a world-class audio experience in-home.
The outdoor terrace allows residents to experience the desert climate while remaining sheltered within the monument's protective frame.
The removal of construction equipment marks the end of a 2-year journey to reclaim this ancient landmark.
This luxury dwelling stands as a testament to the intersection of ancient history and the pinnacle of modern.
Security is paramount in such a remote location, featuring advanced surveillance systems integrated seamlessly into the stone exterior. Structural engineers perform final safety checks on the floating platforms that maximize the vertical space inside the dome.
Automated systems respond to the sun, providing a seamless transition between the dark of night and daylight hours.
The morning light fills the central chamber, creating a vibrant atmosphere for the residents as they start in day. Automated maintenance solutions are required to keep the structure pristine against the constant barrage of fine desert sand. The Earth's stable temperature is harnessed to provide an eco-friendly cooling solution for the entire luxury residential complex.
A recirculating waterfall adds humidity to the dry desert air while providing a calming auditory background for residents.
At night, the monument takes on a primordial appearance, reminded only by the fire of human presence within.
A state-of-the-art cinema is tucked into the rear of the skull, providing entertainment in complete darkness. The house coexists with the local wildlife, which has long used the shadow of the stone for protection.
Privacy is instantly achieved through electrochromic glass technology that obscures the view from the outside world completely.
Self-sufficiency is a core design principle, allowing the house to function independently for months without external support.
Modern technology is used to oversee the marriage of ancient structure and new high-tech lifestyle features throughout.
High-quality materials like hand-stitched leather enhance the luxury feel while serving a functional purpose for acoustic privacy.
Rainwater harvesting systems are integrated into the cranium to capture every drop of precious moisture that falls here. The pantry is stocked with enough supplies to host large gatherings in the heart of the desolate desert. Final touches are applied with precision as the project moves into the handover phase for the new owners.
The landscape transforms into a frozen tundra, testing the home's insulation and heating capabilities to the absolute limit.
The warm orange light within contrasts sharply with the blue tones of the cold, snowy desert night outside.
Tactile controls made of stone provide a physical connection to the building's material while managing its internal climate.
The arrival of the first visitors marks the beginning of the monument's new life as a luxury residence.
From the eyes of the skull, one can witness the vastness of the world in total silence and opulence meets the earth in the private suites, where every fixture is a custom piece of functional art.